Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change an AirTag's battery. AirTag comes with a button-shaped look, so it has replaceable standard coin-shaped CR2032 batteries, which are designed to last at least one lifespan before needing to be replaced. You don't need to swap out a battery right now, but when you do need a new battery, or ever need to reset AirTag at times, this video help you to change or replace AirTag battery. Let's watch how to do that. New battery for AirTag you can purchase from an online store as well as a local retail shop. Now, clutch your AirTag with both hand and press down on the stainless steel backing of the AirTag. As you press down, rotate counterclockwise until the cover stops rotating. Now pull apart the two halves of the AirTag. Take out the old battery cell and replace it with the new cell in the same orientation, which is plus side up. You'll hear a chiming sound when the battery is seated correctly. Now let's close the stainless steel bottom of the AirTag, for that make sure that the three tabs on the cover cap align with the slots on the AirTag plastic. Otherwise, possible damage will occur. Now rotate the steel cover clockwise back in place until it stops moving. For those who face a hard to replace AirTag battery, then I suggest two-thumb method. In this way, just clutch your AirTag between two thumbs and hold it on a vertical position. Now follow the instruction, press backside and rotate it so easily steel cap will open to replace the battery. Same way again, keep AirTag in between two thumbs and move cap in rotation to fit it as it comes in the box. I hope you found this way helpful. Now you guys, as we check the battery for AirPods and AirPods Pro, we can check AirTag battery. Let's watch how to do that. For that, you must have AirTag added in Find My app. Let's open Find My app on your iPhone. Now tap Items tab. Here on this page, choose an AirTag that you would like to check battery. After it, next page you can see the battery indicator for AirTag. If you tap on it, then you can view the serial number and firmware version also. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. You can check the battery capacity of an AirTag in the Find My app, and you will receive a notification on your iPhone when the battery is low to let you know that it's time for a replacement. I hope this video found helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.